Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check in for your JetBlue flight online. First, open your browser and search how to check in JetBlue flight. Click the first link that appears. This will take you to JetBlue's official check-in page. Once you're there, scroll down and tap Check-in Online. Now, enter the passenger's last name and either the confirmation code or ticket number. When you're done, click Continue. From there, just follow the prompts to confirm your flight details. Select seats if needed and get your boarding pass. And that's it. That's how to check in for your JetBlue flight online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.